Start with the nested for loop.
Again sir ସେଇଟା start କରନ୍ତୁ।
Break and continue is over na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Again
So
sir
we
सर ब्रेक रे जो अच्छी सीटी ता जो सिंटैक्स रे सीटी गोटे अपन लिखिथिले include stdivh डॉट h सेटा कोन सारा जो सेकंड रे लिखा है फर्स्ट include stdioh सेकंड रे जो लिखा है
include
आज्ञा से सेटा
it is okay. std library dot h. This is not mandate. So for including library function we are using. So this part is not required. We'll start with the break. Okay, so break statement basically it is used to break the loop. Means when you are using a looping, and if you want do not want to continue from the statement, we are using here break. So now I move to the program. So here this program is showing you okay, so this loop is saying that int I equals to 0. Then here I pass slash n, and again I run. So 1, 2, 3, 4. When it is 5, it is break a statement. int I equals to 0. 0 less than 10, condition is true. When it is condition true, it is coming to here. It is printing you 0. Then I value, then it is showing you 0 is equals to 5. No, condition has stopped. So it is not 0 is not equals to 5. Then I value is increment to 1. 1 is less than 10. Condition is true. So now here it is printing you 1. 1 is equals to 5. No. So similar way it is printing you up to 5. So when 5 is equals to 5, condition has false. So condition is true. 5 is equals to 5. Then here it is break the statement. Okay. तो जिते बड़े मोर कंडीशन टा मोर वैल्यू टा 5 हे गला ताले मोर कोन हला ना लूपिंग टा एठी स्टॉप हे जीवो स्टॉप हैला परे जिते बड़े हमर आउट ऑफ द लूप आसिले सेते बड़े मो वैल्यू अछि कोन आई रो वैल्यू अछि 5 आई रो वैल्यू जिते 5 हैला मोर लूपिंग टा एठी स्टॉप हैला मनीषा बुझियला मनोरंजन
यस सर
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir ବୁଝିଗଲା।
सुनील
Yes, sir.
इमेजिन
Yes, sir.
okay that is a var copy of break statement so similar way we move to the continue statement. Continue statement is used to statement. For skip the particular statement, we are using continue. The continue statement in the C programming language work as somewhat like break statement. Instead of forcing the termination, it forces the next iteration of the loop to take place, keeping my code in between for the for loop. Continue statement causes the conditional test and increment portion of the loop to execute. So it is used to increment the value for while, then do while and continue statement. So where you have to use a continue statement? Continue statement is used in while loop, do while loop. So how it is working? So when you are using continue, so same statement in same program we have mentioned here continue. So if I use here if I use here continue, then check it is printing you all the element. You int I equals to 0, 0 less than 10 is printing you. Okay, see there. This printing you 0, 1, 2, 3. If I is equals to 5, when the value of I is 5, then it is skip the particular statement. So 5 is not present. Then it is showing you 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? So continue statement is used to skip the particular element when your specific element condition is true.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then now I move to the do while loop. Sorry, while loop. While loop is also known as pre-test loop. In general, a while loop allow the part of the code to be executed multiple times. In while loop, it will check the condition, means while, then condition, till your condition is true, then your statement in the while loop is executed. Okay, so now this program is I want to show you the value from 1 to 10. So So for showing the value from 1 to 10, I will use the program. So here some program I have to display, which is used for reverse a number. For reversing a number, int n reverse equals to 0 and then remainder. So please ensure your copy is with you. Please ensure your copy is with you. Then it is better that what I have told you, you have to just note it down. You just note it down what I have told you. It is showing you the reverse number. You first just have your pen and paper. Then first you have to write n. You write here reverse equals to 0. You write here remainder. Write this. N reverse is 0. Remainder is 0. Reverse is 0. Remainder. Now take a number. Suppose if you take a number that is 45. Okay. So take a number 45. Suppose you take 456. So you have to take a 456. So 456 is not equals to 0. Is condition true? Then remainder equals to 456 modulo 10. 456 modulo 10. Your remainder is 466 modulo 10. Remainder is your 6. So in remainder you write here 6. Okay. 466 modulo 10. Your remainder is 6. 6 is stored in a remainder. Then reverse. So reverse equals to reverse into 10. Reverse equals to reverse into 10. So your reverse is what? 0. 0 into 10 is 0 plus 0 into 10 is 0 plus your remainder. Your remainder is how much?
6.
Give me in the chat answer. Your remainder is
6. 6.
0 into 10 is 0. Remainder is
6.
write me in the chat box.
Remainder 6 ଅଛି ନା?
Chat box रे लिखो chat box. Remainder is 6. Romaji, when you 456 modulo 10, if you divide 456 modulo 10, remainder is 6. So in the remainder 6 is stored. Okay. In reverse, earlier we store 0. 0 into 10 is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. In reverse, 6 value are stored. Here 6 value are stored. Now n is equals to n by 10. N is equals to n by 10. So that means 456 divided by 10. 466 divided by 10. That means in n your 45 is stored. तो n रे थी 45 स्टोर हला तापर पुनी कंडीशन चेक कला 45 is not equals to 0 condition is true 45 is not equals to 0 then 45 modulo 10 45 modulo 10 remainder हबो केते 45 modulo 10 remainder is
5
remainder is 5 is stored here
5
in the reverse रे already मोर केते अछि 6 अछि 6 into 10 हेगला 60 60 plus 5 is 65 now
65
now मोर value केते अछि 45 by 10 45 by 10 your quotient is how much quotient केते आसीओ
4
45 by 10 हेले
4
4 तो n रे मोर 4 स्टोर हला
4
so 4 not equals to 0 4 is not equals to 0
0 condition true
condition true hela 4 modulo 10 केते आसीबो
4
4 modulo 10 is 4 the reverse equals to reverse रे मोर केते स्टोर अछि 65
5
तो 65 into 10 केते हला 650 650
50
रिमाइंडर रे मोर केते आसीला 4 आसीला तो
4
654 रिवर्स रे
54
654 स्टोर हला तो n is equals to n by 10 means 4 by 10 n is equals to 4 by 10 हेगला केते ना 0.4 माने मोर कोसेंट रे केते स्टोर हला 0 तो while n is not equals to 0 एटी while ता मोर कोन हेगला 0 हेगला तो while ता 0 हेगला एटी मोर वैल्यू से प्रिंट करबो बुझेला
सर इक्वल्स टू अच्छे बा आउथरे रन होबनी
कोटी इक्वल्स टू अछि
माने
0 is
n
not
जो
equal
0
to
हे गला जे तळे 0 इक्वल्स टू 0
जी एटे कंडीशन कोन अछि 0 is not equals to 0 not equals to एटी मोर कोन हेगला
हां 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 हां
इक्वल हेगला ना
नहीं सर बुझली मु से जो ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू लेस देन इक्वल्स टू दियंती नि कि मु सेही जगहटा टिके
not equal
कंफ्यूज हे गेल
बुझेला
आज्ञा
आज्ञा
सर
सर
आज्ञा सर
तो एटा हला showing the reverse a number so this program is showing you the reverse a number next next you can do the Fibonacci series by using a while loop so what is the Fibonacci series just wait so Fibonacci series is showing you 0 then 1 0 1 0 plus 1 is 1 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 2 2 plus 1 is 3 3 plus 2 is 5 5 plus 3 is 8 so it is called as the Fibonacci series.
Fibonacci series.
Means you have to add the number, okay, up to it is showing you 144. About Fibonacci series.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
this is a task for you. Write a program. So Fibonacci series one between 1 to 200. Then next you write uh, take two number and find out LCM. Okay, so find out LCM of the two number. Next comes to the do while loop. The do while loop work is what? So do while loop and while loop. So what is the difference between while loop and do while loop? In while loop, if your condition is false, then there is no statement is executed. But in the case of do while loop, if your condition is false, at least one time
One
your
time
statement is
execution.
executed. So in the case of
I
do
can
while
see.
loop, if your condition has false, at least one time the statement is executed. Suppose if I pass here while a is till a is less than 10. If a is less than 10, suppose if I pass here, if I take a is 100, a is 100. So a is 100, we are passing. Now condition are checked. 100 is less than 10. Condition has false. So when the condition has false, then there is no statement is executed. Okay. But in the case of do while loop, if your condition is false, suppose here I have taken a is 10, then do, then print anything after display any value while so while a is less than 10. So if you are passing any value, suppose if you are passing a is 20, so it is printing you 20, but here when a condition has true check here 20 is less than 10, so condition becomes false. When condition becomes false, but till it is false, it is showing you the 20. মতে এটি 20 থরে দেখেই
Sir.
कार डाउट अछि?
नाइस सर।
The difference between while
No,
loop
sir.
and do while loop is what? If your condition has false, then there is no statement, there is at least one statement is executed in the case of do while loop. But in the case of while loop, if your condition is has false, then there is no statement is executed. So that
नो
is the difference
स्टेटमेंट।
between while loop and do while loop. Clear?
यस सर।
Yes.
Okay. So in the next class, I will show the example of do while loop. Okay, so we go for the do while loop and all its operation. Then we move to array element. Okay. चलो
सर
हाँ
सर
पर
सर गोटे क्वेश्चन थिला कन्वर्ट अ पर्सन्स नेम इन एब्रिविएटेड तो
person
सेथिरे
name
करियर कोन अछि? सर कन्वर्ट अ पर्सन्स नेम इन एब्रिविएटेड ताकू मन तार कोडिंग लिखार थिला तो सेथिरे करियर कोन अछि?
abbreviated ता question टा बुझिया पड़े abbreviation माने कौन short name दबो
तो सेइडे मु कंफ्यूज माने जदी
हमें
सपोज
से
ना
लिखुचे
और
USA
टाइटल सब
USA लिखुचे हाँ तो USA रहउची यूनाइटेड
आज्ञा
स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका that's the abbreviation
आज्ञा
तो सेटा कौन एक्चुअली
तो
क्वेश्चन
ସେଇଟା ତ ଯଦି ମାନେ କାହାର ନାଁ ଆଉ ଟାଇଟଲ ଯେମିତି ସପୋଜ ମୋର ନାଁ ଯେମିତି ମନୀଷା ପରିଜା ତ ସେଇଟା abbreviated ହେଇ ଖାଲି MP ରହିବ ନା କଣଟା ସେଇଟା ସେ?
मुसिया भाउजी એટલે તમે string function પଢିବା ତା ଦେହରେ ତମେ ପାଇବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
ମାନେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ୱାର୍ଡ ର ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଲେଟର ଟା ତମେ ରିଟ୍ରାଇ କରି ପାଇବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
Okay?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
ठीक है नेक्स्ट क्लास
थैंक यू सर।